Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammed Osama from 20 Wedge Software, roll number 001. So the project that I've made is actually a typing desktop application. I've tried to make it look like a standard typing application or a website. So I've made this using Java Swing, which is a toolkit used to make Windows applications that I learned in my second semester. So let's just run this and see how it works. So here's the project. The project actually contains a text which is approximately 7 lines longer. So now you might think that why choosing such a long text. That's only because when you are provided 1 or 2 lines to type, you can type it without you can type it without making too many mistakes, and you are not tired while typing just 1 and 2 lines. But that's not your accurate speed, right? Because in real and practical life you have to type 2-3 pages, okay, and your fingers might get tired, and that when just typing 1 or 2 lines does not show the actual consistency you have as a typer. So this is why I've used a bit long text, which is a 7-line text, I think. So the text is yellow, you can see it's a yellow text. So the moment you type enter space, now your time starts, and you can see the time now is 0. Okay, so the moment you type enter space, the timer will start, suggesting you or showing you that you now have to start typing. And the moment you type the words, type the characters, they will all turn disabled, showing that these has been typed. Okay, and if you type a wrong character, it will be shown red, and unless you do not type the right character, the text will not increase. This is how a typical typing application or a desktop application works. So I've tried to make it look like as a typical typing application. So let's just enter space and let me show it's working. I've typed enter space. You can see the timer has started. You can see that the moment I'm typing the right words or right characters, they are getting disabled, showing that they have been typed. Okay, now let's just type wrong character. I am here where I have to type I, but let me just type a wrong character. I have typed the wrong character and it has turned red. Now you can type as wrong characters you want, but the text will not increase. It will be kept showing the red color. Now if you type I, it will be disabled. Okay, so this is all about this application. And I think you can see that the moment you start enter space, this text shows you that if you want to have another turn, you can type escape. Now basically you might think that I should have provided this feature once once a user have completed all the text. Obviously then you can provide a chance to restart the game, but I've done it at this moment, just because sometimes when you start typing you are off to a very bad start and you don't want to just type, because that happens when we type. Sometimes we make mistakes on the very first line and we just want to start and want to have another turn. So you can enter escape, and the text, this blank text, will be yellow, and the timer will be 0 and you can have another turn. Let me just show you. I've entered escape and the timer has been set to 0 and you can have another turn. Let me just now have one go and I'll type all the text and show you what happens when a user completely type the text. Yeah, now I'm about to complete this text. Let's see what happens. You can see now I took 80 seconds to type all these words. They were approximately 91 words, so it's 69 words per minute, and it also shows you the accuracy. It's 88% accuracy, and this thing is a keystroke. That means how many characters you have actually typed while typing all this text. They are 521 for 24, and you have typed 466 right characters and 58 wrong characters. That makes up 88% of accuracy. You can always enter escape and have another run. So this is it. Thank you.